What's up again, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 3D printing nozzles. These are pretty important when it comes to 3D printing. I have a little note card here with some notes that I want to cover. We'll just get cracking. So very first up, what is a 3D printing nozzle? So in every 3D printer that uses filament, it has to go through this little block. The filament has to go through this really hot tube and come out through a nozzle, like a pen. And it goes through that nozzle that's set at a certain diameter to make a consistent flow of filament. And so nozzles can vary in different materials and different sizes. First things first, what is standard? So most 3D printers are made out of, or most 3D printing nozzles are made out of brass. And they are 0.4 millimeters in diameter. And that is important to know because when you want to 3D print something at a specific layer height, you want to base it off your nozzle diameter. So if you want to print something that's fine detail and you have a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, you want to scale that detail to 0.4. So you want to use increments of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, so on and so forth. So it's made of brass, like I said earlier, and brass is the most common, it's the most easily produced, it's the cheapest material, and it's used for most material that isn't abrasive because brass does not do very well with abrasion. It'll peel, it'll tear, it'll chip, all that fun stuff. So you use a brass nozzle for your simple stuff like your PLA, your ABS, your nylons, your Ninja Flexes, all that easy abrasive stuff. Versus there are some other nozzle materials such as the second most common, hardened steel. Hardened steel is going to be for your abrasive materials like your bronze or your steel or your nylon X. Sorry. And then there are two other special cases which are stainless steel. If you're in a doctor's office, you need it to be certified by like a certain level. Or you can have tungsten or ruby, which is for constant abrasion. You're really beating that printer up. Moving on to the nozzle diameters, like I said, 0.4 is the standard, but it ranges from 0.15 millimeters to 1 millimeter. And that could be for a different variety of things. So if you want to print something that's really fine detail, go towards to the left end of the spectrum, the smaller diameter nozzles. So you get that really fine detail, the really thin line of filament. Versus if you want to print something really fast and really big, you want the biggest possible hole for that filament to come out of. And that about wraps it up. That's about almost everything that I wanted to cover here. The bigger nozzles print faster, allow more material to shoot out. And yeah, that's just a little quick note about 3D printing nozzles. If you guys had no idea what they were used for, things like that. If you guys have any questions about them, I have a pretty good knowledge about all things 3D printing, so feel free to leave a nice comment down in the description below. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial / help, and hope you guys learned something new, and if you did, feel free to leave a comment. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.